Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. If you are new here, welcome. You are always welcome in the Crafty Corner. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. For those of you returning, thank you for coming back. I have another men's concept that I'm working on. And this is semi-sports basket for the sports enthusiast. So I'm going to spin you around and let you see this basket. Okay, so this is what this basket is looking like, y'all. I included the sports containers that I got at Dollar General for a penny. And that's these. So if you remember these little items at Dollar General, these did penny out. I picked up these as well as the little condiment cups that you can put your condiments in. Now, if you use these in the baskets, make sure you let them know that it is a condiment cup, because it does have a hole in the bottom. So if they try to put a drink in it, the drink's going to come out of it. So they can't use this as a cup, but it is a cup that they can put their condiments in, such as their ketchup packets or bottles, and ketchup mustard packets, and so on and so forth. But like I said, these cups do have a little hole in the bottom of them. Alright, so I also included the coaster sets. And I don't have any more of the coaster sets. However, I do have a video of one where I transformed it using UV resin into a hard coaster. These are the like cardboard type coaster sets. Alright, and I put those in the cup, or in the tray here. I used one of the barber rags also in here because I did include the Men's Dub Deep Clean Soap. Alright, and I got these at Walgreens on sale. They were a good price, so I did pick them up. They come 6 bars to a pack. Alright, and then we, of course, used our Dove Men's Cream in this concept as well. Alright, now this is the East Point indoor-outdoor sports balls. Alright, and it comes with a soccer ball, a basketball, and a football. Alright, and it also comes with the pump to pump these balls up with. Alright, I got this at Bargain Hunt when they were closing at a good price. They had several of them. I got all of them off the shelf, and this has been a while back. I sold most of these at Christmas time. And I ended up with 2 left, and I'm going to use those in concept. So this is one of them. Alright, so I do have the 3 balls in here with the football theme. We also put in a pair of underwear, because of course after he's done playing all these sports and everything, we're going to need him to wash up, put some cream on, and put his underwear on, and then get him a snack to go in his little snack tray. If he has to heat it up, he's got a pot holder to get it out with, as well as a drink with some coasters, and use his condiments on his meal. Alright, so I think this basket has turned out super cute as well. Alright, and I will be bagging, tagging, and wrapping this up. Alright, and moving on to the next. So, you all tell me what you think down in the comments. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. You all be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.
It's the Crafty Corner crafting with Katrina. We got crafty vibes going live, doing our thing for the loyal subs, showing love, shopping hauls and all. Happy mails and the sales, doing well, we don't fail.